Welcome, in front of me is REALME Note 70T, and in this video I'm going to tell you what to do if you cannot access your device using your screen lock pattern. So before trying to perform a factory reset and erase all data from your phone, let's go through a couple simple steps before, which will maybe help us out without removing all the files from your smartphone. So first of all, of course, try your best to remember the pattern that you entered the last time when you successfully unlocked your phone. And in case you do know the pattern but you cannot use it to unlock your phone in the normal mode, maybe you should try the safe mode instead, where no third-party applications will affect the way that your lock screen behaves. So first of all, press power button and volume up key at the same time, then select restart, and then wait until the REALME logo reappears on the screen. And once it does, start holding the volume down key. Hold it down until your phone vibrates. And after it does, you can release the volume down key and wait until your phone boots up. Once your phone boots up into the safe mode, try to enter the pattern once again, and in case you succeed, wait until your phone loads. Then go to settings right here, then scroll down to security and privacy settings, select device unlock, select screen lock, enter it right here and change it to none. And now press the power button and volume up key at the same time and select restart, then wait until your device reboots. And in case you weren't able to sign in the safe mode, then the best solution for you would be to try and reach out to REALME customer support service, and in case you can provide them with the proof of the ownership of your smartphone, they will most likely be able to help you out and restore your password, and this way regain your access to your phone. And if you cannot do that, then the last option remaining would be factory reset operation. Now you can perform it in two ways. If you have a Google account connected to your smartphone, then you can perform a factory reset operation using the Find Hub service, which you can find in any web browser. Just look up Find Hub. Let me connect to the internet. Look it up. Then log into the service using the Google account that is connected to your smartphone, and find your smartphone on the list. Then select your device and select factory reset, which is the last option on the list. After that, all the data will be erased from your phone and you will be able to set it up again as a new device. Now if you cannot do that too, for example if you have the Find My Device disabled on your phone, then perform a factory reset operation using recovery mode. And if you don't know how to access recovery mode, or if you need some help on your way, we have an entire video on our channel explaining how to perform a factory reset operation through the recovery mode on your REALME Note 70T smartphone. So if this video helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.